Is conditioning the same as deep conditioning? Is conditioning the same as deep conditioning? Everyone's chasing hair hacks that make your hair healthy. But I will say that the reason why this is hitting me in this really complex way is because some of it is bullshit. Some of the conditioning hacks are just trash for you or people to get clicks. Healthy hair comes from understanding your hair texture. So identifying your hair texture is number one. If you have a texture that's naturally drier, you can't over condition that texture. You can't over moisturize. It's not possible. My biggest concern is where we get into using terms that don't necessarily apply to you, the consumer, such as low porosity, no porosity, protein and things like that. For the most part, if you are someone who identifies with a hair texture that is naturally drier, that chances are your texture is not being conditioned enough. But no, you can use any conditioner that you find that you feel that leaves your hair soft. You can condition till the cows come home with that conditioner, and providing that you're not destroying it with a shampoo that strips it, because then you're just chasing dry hair. You're stripping it to condition it. But oftentimes, things like sitting under the dryer or doing a conditioning treatment for someone who's got a trash regimen is just making you feel better. It ain't doing nothing for your hair. So I guess I should have started with that, because a conditioning pack, mask, or moisturizer can be used to leave on overnight, can be used as a mask, can be used every day as a co-wash, to doing wash and go style, can be used to doing conditioning your hair for any given reason that you are conditioning your hair. Just find a conditioner that works, that you like, that leaves your hair soft, because that's all they do. They don't deliver nanotechnology, protein, or any of those things. A conditioner is chosen to make your hair healthier, moisturized, and soft. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe, and so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.